Hostess cupcakes, a staple at children's parties, feature moist chocolate cake paired with a creamy filling. Their affordability made them a favored treat during recess and sleepovers. Similarly, bugles have entertained kids since 1964 with their distinctive cone shape and satisfying crunch. Over the years, they have evolved into various flavors while remaining popular at parties and picnics. RC Cola, which debuted in 1905, is deeply rooted in Southern culture and aimed for quality. Its history mirrors the evolution of soft drinks and their significance in social gatherings. Positioned uniquely between Coca-Cola and Pepsi, RC Cola's flavor profile made it a favored choice at social functions. Its competitive pricing only enhanced its widespread appeal. Chocodiles, a chocolate-covered treat from Hostess brands, found particular favor on the West Coast. Their sudden disappearance in the late 1990s sparked debates about their identity and legacy. Meanwhile, Jell-O molds became nostalgic staples at gatherings, combining affordability with visual allure. Their vibrant hues and customizable recipes made them cherished among families. Kool-Aid's origins trace back to a liquid concentrate called Fruit Smack, which was later transformed into a convenient powdered drink. This innovation made it widely accessible by the 1970s. As Kool-Aid became a fixture at community events, it fostered friendship among children. Its low cost made it a preferred option for picnics and sleepovers, enriching social experiences. The Kool-Aid Man's cheerful persona and memorable catchphrase solidified his status in advertising. This character greatly contributed to Kool-Aid's cultural influence beyond simply being a beverage. Rice Krispies treats, made with butter, marshmallows, and cereal, provide a gooey, sweet delight. Their popularity soared at sleepovers and birthday celebrations. Twinkies, characterized by their golden sponge cake and creamy filling, quickly became a lunchbox favorite. Their innovative creation was born from surplus shortbread pans that were no longer utilized. Both snacks have expanded their flavor profiles over the years, with Twinkies introducing chocolate and seasonal variations. This evolution keeps them relevant and exciting for new generations. Ambrosia salad combines mandarin oranges, pineapple, miniature marshmallows, and shredded coconut to create a delightful mix of flavors, becoming a nostalgic favorite for many. Sherbet Punch, a nostalgic drink from the 70s, epitomized celebration at various gatherings. Its vibrant colors and fizzy soda made it a hit with both kids and adults. Dirt cake, another beloved dessert from the 1970s, features layers of chocolate pudding and crushed Oreos in a playful presentation. It's especially popular for themed occasions like Halloween and Easter. Pringles' innovative packaging design not only prevented breakage, but also reduced air exposure, distinguishing them from traditional bagged chips. This feature became a significant selling point. In response to the growing diet soda trend, Tab Cola emerged in the 1970s, quickly resonating with health-conscious consumers. Its distinctive branding made it easily identifiable. Freesa Soda encapsulated the essence of the 1970s through its refreshing citrus flavor, presenting a vibrant alternative to colas and gaining popularity at social events. However, its demand dwindled as new sodas appeared in the 1980s. Cheerwine emerged as a beloved soda at picnics and parties, originally costing just 30 cents. Today, it continues to hold a cherished place in soda history. Introduced in the 1970s, Pop Rocks transformed the candy landscape with their fizzy experience, delighting children and providing an exciting sensory adventure during playtime. Lastly, Ding Dongs have captivated taste buds since the 1960s with their creamy filling and nostalgic charm, maintaining appeal among both children and adults alike.